Baba, I'm a giraffe. I have a long neck. I'm a giraffe. Ew. I have a 7 head. I look like a big baby. I am a conehead. I am Miss Conehead. Rain on me. Ba 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 no, you got. You are disgrace for my family. Big eyeball. Man, can I make this frog? Man, big eye. Oh. I blink. I blink for you. You're gonna blink again. You look pretty sexy. I'm small. Oh wow, I went crazy. I'm creepy. I'm a creepy thingy. You don't know my name. I don't even know my own name. Yes, master. Yes, master. I am Quasimodo. Do you want me to ring the bell, master? I have a long neck. It's in it. Oh! Oh my God! My head is huge. My hand, my finger is the size of my neck. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I have a long tongue. Okay, I'm done with this one. This is what's like by far my favorite. I look, whoa! I look retarded when I'm talking to you like this, which is really awesome because I don't give a flying hoot. A hoot. So, next one, it's coming soon.